100 expert tips for mastering BizStackPro. Check this out.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the expert tips inside of BizStackPro. Now, we're going to talk very briefly on the CRM and contact management. So you can utilize custom fields to store specific information about your contacts. You can tag contacts to categorize and segment them for better targeting. Automate lead assignment to team members based on predefined criteria. Create saved filters to quickly access specific groups of contacts. Set up appointment reminders to reduce the no-shows. Very important, that one. Track communication history for better follow-up. Use pipelines to visualize and manage your sales process. Enable two-way texting for direct communication with your clients. Automate follow-ups to nurture leads over time. Segment your lists based on behavior, demographics, and engagement. Okay, so let's talk about the marketing automation tips inside of BizStackPro. Build workflows to handle repetitive tasks or basically nurture your leads. Use conditional logic in workflows to personalize communications. A/B split test emails to see which performs better. Leverage trigger links in emails to start automation sequences. Create multi-step campaigns to engage contacts across different channels. And automate social media posts directly from BizStackPro. Set up webhooks to integrate with external services. Implement drip campaigns to nurture your leads over time. A/B split tests emails to see which performs better, kind of the same as what I said earlier. Use dynamic variables to personalize emails and messages. Okay, so let's talk about the landing pages and funnels aspect of BizStackPro. So use pre-made templates to quickly create landing pages and funnels, because inside of BizStackPro, there is hundreds of pre-made templates for you to use, which is pretty awesome. Optimize for mobile to ensure a great user experience. Add custom SSS or JavaScript for advanced customization. Run A/B split tests on landing pages to determine which performs best, which is always handy. Embed videos straight onto the landing page to increase engagement. And implement countdown timers to add that little bit of urgency so it gets your prospects clicking and hopefully buying. Create exit pop-ups to capture visitors' attention before they actually leave. Use sticky bars for important announcements or calls to action. Optimize load speed to reduce bounce rates. Very important. Track page analytics to understand visitor behavior. And let's talk a little bit now about the integrations, some of the tips for this. So you can connect your email provider for seamless email marketing. Sync with calendars for appointment scheduling. You can literally use Zapier to connect with thousands of other apps. Integrate payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. Sync contacts and data with your existing CRM. Use Google Analytics to track website performance. Connect your Facebook ads account to manage your campaigns. Use webhooks to send data to other apps in real time. Integrate call tracking tools to monitor and record phone calls. Sync with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. So let's talk about email marketing tips. You can design beautiful emails with the simple drag and drop builder inside of BizStackPro. Segment your email list for targeted campaigns. Add pre-head text to improve open rates. Automate welcome emails for new subscribers. Personalize your subject lines to increase open rates, monitor email deliverability and spam rates, include clear call to action in your emails. Experiment with different send times for optimal engagement. Regularly clean your email list to maintain health. I think that's kind of a given anyway, or you always want to do that. Track email metrics like the open and click-through rates. And let's go into the SMS marketing aspect of BizStack.Pro and some of the tips here. So you can create SMS campaigns to engage your contact list, personalize SMS messages with dynamic variables, set up text messaging autoresponders for inbound messages, monitor delivery, open and response rate for SMS campaigns, implement short codes for easy opt-in and engagement, and include SMS messages in your automated workflows. Schedule SMS sends in advance, so you can schedule all of your text messages in advance. Use SMS reminders for appointments, events, or even deadlines. Ensure that you have permission before sending the SMS message. So you obviously want to make sure that they physically type in their telephone number on your opt-in page so you can actually send them. Follow SMS marketing regulations and best practices. So reporting and analytics. Customize your dashboard with widgets to track key metrics. Excuse me, very important aspect here of BizStack.Pro is that you can actually customize the back office to the way you want it. Track the performance of your marketing campaigns in real time. Analyze contact engagement to understand the behavior. Create custom reports for specific data points. Use funnel analytics to identify bottlenecks. Monitor conversion rates for your landing pages and campaigns. Keep an eye on your sales pipeline to track deal progress. Again, very important. You can map out this whole funnel and track everything step by step. Dive into email metrics for better future emails. Analyze the effectiveness of your SMS campaigns. Export reports for offline analysis or sharing with your team. So client management tips. Create client dashboards for tracking performance. Automate client onboarding sequences. Set up automated client performance reports. Apply custom branding to client portals. Use project management tools to keep client projects on track. Automate and track client billing and payments. You can use BizStack.Pro's communication tools to stay in touch with your clients, which is pretty awesome. Gather client feedback with surveys and forms. Manage client permissions for account access. Track key performance indicators for each client. So here are just some general tips inside of BizStack.Pro. Attend BizStack.Pro's webinars, literally to learn from the experts. So basically, BizStack.Pro, we go live inside of the community every single week, actually twice a week, to teach you everything about BizStack.Pro. So you're never left behind. You've got full support 24/7, which is great. Join the user community for support and networking, like I've just said. Leverage help, the help center and support resources. So inside of BizStack.Pro, you have full support 24/7. All you would simply need to do is just click one button, type what issue you have, and they will be able to help you. Keep an eye on new features and updates, because there's always new features and updates getting updated pretty much all the time, which is great. Learn and use keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. Personalize your dashboard and interface, which I've kind of gone over already. Ensure your team is well trained using BizStack.Pro. So if you wanted to bring people into BizStack.Pro yourself, you can do. Get them into the community, and everyone in there will provide the help and support. In case you're completely brand new and you're still learning yourself, let the experts do kind of the work for you. Why not? Regularly back up your data to prevent loss, which is pretty much a given. Continuously refine and optimize your workflows. Use the BizStack.Pro API for advanced integrations. And speaking of advanced, let's go into some advanced tips of BizStack.Pro, which is basically just build and manage membership sites. So not only can you create websites and sales funnels, you can create and manage your own membership sites, which is pretty awesome. Set up and manage affiliate programs. So if you have a product that you've created, whether it's digital or physical or whatever the case may be, create an affiliate program inside of BizStack.Pro so you can start recruiting affiliates and getting the word out there for your product. Apply custom domains for landing pages and portals. Leverage AI tools for enhanced automation. Track system performance and uptime. Use advanced reporting for deeper insights. Manage multiple locations or franchises. Implement SEO best practices on your landing pages so you can rank higher on Google. Set up triggers based on user behavior. And finally, stay updated with the latest marketing trends and features, which again is all going to be inside the community when you get access to BizStack.Pro. Now, again, to access BizStack.Pro, simply click on the link in the description, or you can visit BizStack.Pro. And as a little bonus, if you use the coupon code birthday 2024, you can get access to BizStack.Pro's premium package, which is normally $297 per month. You're going to get $200 off, and you're going to get access to the premium package today for $97. And it's not just going to be $97 one time, it's $97 every month. So you don't have to pay $297 every month. You're going to get the premium package today for just $97 per month, which is pretty awesome. So again, click the link in the description or simply visit BizStack.Pro, and I cannot wait to see you inside the community. I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.